Hello there, this is Mahabub, and today's video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can customize the header of our theme using the child theme. So let's get started. First thing, you have to install the Senior Care child theme. Let's click on the activate button. Once the theme activated, if you check the site, you will be able to see that the site exactly look like the same as it was before, because we still did not change any of the file. Now we want to change the column specification for the logo. Right now for the logo we specify or we allocate only 3 columns for it, and rest of the 9 column we divided or we distribute for the menu. So we want to allocate 4 column for logo and rest of 8 column for the menu. To do that, you need to copy the header.php file of the parent theme and paste it into the child theme folder. I am using the NetBeans. You can use any editor you like. Simply copy it and paste it inside the child theme folder. Now if we change the column number for logo, we simply change it in here, and for the menu we just update the value to 8. That's it. Now if we refresh the page, we will able to see the output. So now if we update any code of our parent theme, it will not affect or will not change your existing modification. I hope that helps, and let me know if you need further assistance. Thank you.